Join me as I take on the challenge of making mini shrimp sushi bake cups in under 10 minutes. Today I want to introduce you to a fun and delicious alternative to traditional sushi. Mini shrimp sushi bake cups. They're perfect for anyone who loves sushi but doesn't have the time or skill to make it from scratch. Plus, they're super easy to customize with your favorite toppings. We've all been there. We want to try making sushi at home, but it can be intimidating. You need to have the right ingredients, the right tools, and most importantly, the right skills. Rolling sushi can be tricky, and even if you manage to get it right, it's easy to end up with a mess on your hands. And let's not forget about the ingredients. Sushi-grade fish can be hard to find, and wasabi can be overwhelming for some people. Another challenge people face when making sushi is the time it takes to prepare everything. From cooking the rice to preparing the fillings, it can be a lengthy process, and even if you're using pre-made ingredients, it still takes some time to assemble everything. That's why I love these mini shrimp sushi bake cups. They're quick, easy, and require minimal ingredients. But what really sets these mini shrimp sushi bake cups apart is the simplicity of the recipe. You don't need any special tools or skills, just a few ingredients and a mini muffin tin. And the best part, they're baked in the oven, not raw like traditional sushi. This makes them perfect for anyone who's hesitant to try raw fish or doesn't have access to sushi-grade ingredients. To make these mini shrimp sushi bake cups, you'll need a few simple ingredients: cooked shrimp, sushi rice, mayonnaise, and some seasonings. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, mix together your cooked shrimp, mayonnaise, and some diced green onions in a bowl. In a separate bowl, mix together your sushi rice and some soy sauce. Next, scoop a small amount of the sushi rice mixture into the bottom of each mini muffin tin. Top that with a small amount of the shrimp mixture, leaving a little room at the top. Finally, sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top, and you're ready to bake. Pop those into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're golden brown on top. As they come out of the oven, you'll be greeted with the most amazing aroma. It's like a combination of savory shrimp and toasted sesame seeds. And the best part, they're perfectly golden brown on top with a delicious crunch from the sesame seeds. When you take that first bite, you'll be hooked. The combination of flavors and textures is absolutely perfect. And the best part? Anyone can make them at home, regardless of their cooking skill level or access to ingredients. I hope you guys have fun making these mini shrimp sushi bake cups at home. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes like this one. And if you have a favorite sushi topping, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it.